My whole life I've never wanted to be around welding because sparks, thought that was like really scary. But just telling myself that nothing bad will actually happen. You might get burnt here and there, but it's not gonna completely engulf you in flames. And that's just one way that I got over that fear. And I just fell in love with it right there.
A skill that I developed here that I didn't expect to was definitely like 21st century skills. Our teacher, he's all about making sure we show up on time, making sure we go out there and we don't just slack off in a booth. Our teacher's trying to instill in us the person who shows up on time and does their best work is going to be kept around the job more than someone who may be the best welder in the world but doesn't show up. This program has shaped how I think about my future career by making me more excited to go out in the real world and get a welding job. There's just so many more jobs than what people would tell you about if you just said, oh, I want to be a welder. And I think that this class has helped me realize that.
So it's changed the way I thought about my future career by inspiring me to do something other than cosmetology, because I was pretty set on like hair, makeup, nails, stuff like that. And then getting out here and doing like the guy stuff is just like a lot of fun. I think as a career, it would be a lot of fun to weld my own like designs and whatnot, like make flowers and put it in my cosmetology shop.
In this welding program, I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to go for, but I knew it was a good trade. There's lots of different welding stuff going on with like underwater welding, using it for cars, and like even artwork. I think this program has definitely shaped how I'm thinking of my future, and I feel like building the fundamentals of TIG and MIG welding have definitely felt like I can succeed in that program and definitely like be a step above my peers.
Started welding on a ranch when I was in 7th grade. When I got here as a freshman, I basically knew how to weld and everything. And so basically my freshman year, I kind of taught the intro class, which was, I was more of a TA and less of a student.
The main thing that drew me to like begin getting into the welding program would probably be just where I grew up. Just the necessity for it gave me the interest to want to try and be able to grow and get better at it.
I really wanted to learn those to be able to work on like automotive exhaust systems and to be able to create like custom ones and other things for maybe performance cars in the future, because I've always really liked cars. So I think that was the main thing that drew me to this program. I am really proud of my Porsche logo project. I used the CNC and the program used for the CNC machine to create a cutout of a Porsche logo, and I used all these lines on this program to create it, and then I imported it to our other computer on the actual machine and cut it out.
What drew me to this welding program was my older brother, because I was really inspired by a lot of the projects that he would bring home. And I really wanted to do hands-on learning like that. It's been a very independent learning area, and doing independent learning also comes pretty hard to me. I really like to ask a lot of questions and whatnot, so having independence and learning as I go by myself is super helpful.
I'm a person that gets bored quickly, and when I get bored, I just don't listen as well, I don't absorb the information like I should. So definitely being able to be hands-on and learning with my hands is definitely one of my big skills, and it has made me really like the welding program.
I would just not pay attention to the teachers at all. I would always goof off, just leave class whenever I wanted to because I could not focus on anything. But yeah, I just found welding and auto to be one thing that I love the most because it's hands-on, I learn the best, I remember things better when I'm actually doing it hands-on instead of being told how it's done.
My favorite whole thing about the school is that everything about hands-on learning here is like so much better. Like, I don't know how to really put it into words. When I was going to a conventional school, I didn't really have any type of passion in anything they were trying to teach us. And then just having the freedom, not apart even from the welding program, just having the freedom to do what you want is insane.